Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super fun today? Let's draw a playground slider together. Grab your paper and markers. Let's begin.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw the stand for the slider. Draw 2 straight lines going down. Great job! Now let's draw the sliding part. Draw a long, curved line going down smoothly. Add another line next to it to make it strong and wide. Now draw 2 railings on the sides of the slide. Now draw the flat sliding part in the middle. Wow, it already looks like a real slider. Now draw the second stand at the back. Add the steps to climb up, step by step. Nice and easy. Finally, let's draw some grass on the ground. Little lines here and there. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our playground slider drawing is complete. Now make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that looks amazing! Fantastic work, little artists! You did an awesome job drawing and coloring your playground slider. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.